Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can clear cache in CapCut PC application. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my CapCut PC application, and if you want to clear cache in CapCut PC, the step is very simple. We just need to go to the CapCut setting. You can click on the setting icon on the top right, and then you have to go to the settings. Okay, and after the settings has been opened, you can just click on this delete icon to remove cache from your CapCut PC. And this is my cache size, and I'm just going to remove it from my CapCut PC. We can click on this button, okay, and then I'm just going to click on this OK button. Okay, and we just need to wait until 100%. It depends on the cache size. The bigger cache size you have, the longer duration you need to clear the cache from your CapCut PC application. Alright guys, and now the cache has been removed from my CapCut PC, and I'm just going to click on save. Okay, and that's how we can clear cache in CapCut PC. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.